Okay, so now the Outlook's going away, so we'll Outlook Calendar. We'll need to start using our Google Calendar. To find that, you open up a new tab. You can click over here in your app launcher and click on Calendar. You can also just type in calendar.google.com and click Enter. You also in your email will have this tab or bar over here that you can get a shortcut to your calendar. You can click this pop out and make it go to the full website. So here when you're in your calendar, to create an entry, you can go to the specific date and click on it. You will get a small pop-up here. You can also click more options and it'll give you some more options. The second way to do that is to click create. Then you're going to title it and add the date. So it's going to default to wherever your cursor was, but you can click on it and change your date to make it anything that you want. You also then can make it an end date if this is a vacation or I-Step week or something and you want to make it the entire week, you can do that. To add guests, you're going to click this here and start typing in your guest name. If you start typing in a couple letters, they're going to pop up. Not all of the LI names are going to be able to show up in these four, so you can continue typing until you get the person that you're going to need. So all of our directory is going to be able to be here. So you can click multiple names. Getting some pop-ups. So I'm just typing them in. I can click and hide here or mark as optional. It's going to automatically just send it to them. If I click the wrong person, I can go over here and remove. But if I wanted to say, like I wanted Mr. Broviak to know about the meeting, but he doesn't have to come, I can mark him as optional. So there's how I do that. If I wanted to add this to be a Google Meet, I'm going to do that right here, add Google Meet video conferencing, and it's going to give me my Google Meet link right here. I can add a room or location, a description, I can change its color to mark anything if this is going to be an event, a holiday, and I can create different tags here and colors as I go. So again, if I didn't see the option that I needed, I'm going to go click more options. It still has everything here that I needed, but I can get a longer description box. I can add a picture. I can add a link, things of that nature. So I'm going to go ahead and save this. And then if I were to save it and I want to send, I'm going to go ahead and send this to my calendar guests. I forgot that I marked those, so I'm going to not send, and I'm going to go through and I'm going to delete that so that those people don't think that I'm really setting up an event. So, and I'm not going to send them an email. Okay, so that's how I created a calendar event. You can go through and click here, different months. You can change the view, day, week, month, year, schedule, 4 days. I can show the weekends or not show the weekends, show my declined events, all right there. In your settings, if you have deleted events, they're going to show up here. I can change the look of it. I can print. I can show you some other options. If you wanted to change your time zone, I know some people were trying to send events out and it kept going out in the wrong time zone. So here is how you would change that. You can also change that in your main Google settings. So we want to make sure all of these are correct. You can change the duration default. If you want to schedule a lot of 30-minute meetings, if you're doing classes that are 40 minutes or whatnot, you might change your default to make it the same. So then you can click through here and see your different settings. As I was scrolling, it's going to go through these different ones, or I can just click as I go. So those are your calendar settings. The great thing about Google Calendar and Google, if things get sent to your email, You can add it straight to your calendar if it gets sent to your calendar and you have notifications set up. Google will send you emails to notify you of events. So it's all really integrated nicely. If you have any questions, please let me know.